Hello. Today, I will guide you on how to fix the issue where you can't copy and paste from Microsoft Word to a PowerPoint slide. Method 1, use paste menu instead of shortcut. First, copy the text from your Word document as usual. In PowerPoint, do not press Ctrl plus V. Instead, go to the Home tab and click the drop-down under Paste. Select Paste Text Only. This will paste the content properly even if the shortcut does not work. Method 2, use Notepad as an intermediate step. Copy the text from Word. Open Notepad and paste it there using Ctrl plus V. Then copy the text again from Notepad. Now paste it into PowerPoint. This helps remove any formatting that might be causing issues. Method 3, enable all macros in both Word and PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, go to the File menu, then select Options, followed by Trust Center, and then click on Trust Center Settings. Choose Enable All Macros, click OK. Do the same in Word. After this, close both Word and PowerPoint and reopen them. Try copying and pasting again. Method 4, clear clipboard history. Press Windows plus V to open clipboard history. Click Clear All. Try copying and pasting again. Hopefully one of these methods helped you fix the issue. Let us know which one worked for you in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.